Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix incoming calls not showing on any Samsung device. If you're using any Samsung device or your incoming calls are not showing, so let's see how can you fix that. First of all, you have to make sure that you have disabled the no disturb mode. Once you have checked, just disable your Bluetooth. And after doing that, just go back, go for phone call app, and here just tap on three dots in the top right corner, go for settings, then go for call display, hiding apps, and here you have to make sure that you have selected full screen option as I have. Once you have that, just go back and here open your settings app. From settings, just scroll down and look for apps, tap on it. In apps, you must have to look for phone app, tap on it, and here once you have to enable allow all notifications as I have. Now go back and here just select permissions, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled all permissions. Then go back and here just go for storage, then tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data. After doing that, it might be your problem will be solved, but if it doesn't, you just have to go to the control center and here just restart your phone. Just tap on this power option, then tap on restart, then tap on restart again. It will not delete any data, so it will fix your issue if you're having. So that's you can easily fix incoming calls or not showing in any Samsung device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.